Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a little minute again, but today I am doing a little review on the new Juvia'S Place collection of her lipsticks, the lip liner and lip gloss. I did not buy the entire collection. I don't receive PR, so I tried to buy one from each category, but you know, shades that I felt that were kind of repetitive, I didn't really buy. So I bought 2 lipsticks, a gloss, and 1 lip pencil, and I am going to show you swatches on my lip. And yeah. I also did this look with the Suva new hydra liner, and I'll go ahead and give my review on that as well. So if you would like to see what my thoughts are on these collections, then keep on watching. Okay, so first, let's just get into the packaging of the new Juvia'S Place collection. Like, come on, guys. This packaging is so beautiful. Like, it's so girly. I love color. I personally love pink. So, you know, doing a packaging like this, incorporating pink or gold, like, it's just so pretty. And, you know, being a brand, even if you have your own brand, which for myself, I have my own lashes. So, you know, packaging to me like this, it shows something about yourself. Like it shows who you are. Like if you put the time and effort into your product, like people will see that. Yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and swatch. So I did buy So Rare lip pencil. Now don't be fooled by the color that's right here, because that is not what the lip pencil looks like. I don't know why the shades are a little bit off here, but it is what it is. This is the shade of the pencil, which is very similar to Cork. So let's go ahead and try this on. And this is not my first time trying it on. Well, literally it is in the same day, but I just filmed a different video. So I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips. Now I could have went a little darker. As I stated, this is very similar to Cork by MAC. Sometimes I do like my pencil to be a little darker, but you get the point. So here's the swatch of the lip pencil. As you could tell, it glided on very smoothly. It's very, I wouldn't say moisturizing, but it's not like it's not a very dry pencil, and it's retractable, so that's a plus. I wouldn't say to press hard on a lip pencil, because any type of retractable pencils, it could easily break if you press down too hard. But I am satisfied with the color, and I'm satisfied with the pencil itself. So I think this retails for maybe, I don't know if it's $8 or $9, somewhere around there. I don't know. I think the lipsticks were probably $14 or $13. So now I went ahead and got Toffee, which is a pretty brown nude, and I also got Mauve Moment. So these are the 2 lipsticks that I got. Again, very cute packaging. I don't really have too many mauves. I do wear pink a lot as a neutral, as a nude. I just love a nude pink lip. It's something about it that I just gravitate towards, especially with a look like this. Like, I love teal and pink. Another color would be like peach with the teal. I did not buy any of the peach tones just because I have a bunch of lipsticks that are peachy. So, you know, again, I wanted to buy something a little bit different. And it costs some coins to keep buying all these lipsticks and products, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this. then there's application. Now I will say these aren't extra matte. It kind of has like a hydration to it almost. Like it's not shiny, it's like a satin. Let's see, do it say satin on here? No, it doesn't say satin, but it feels like a satin lipstick to me if I'm comparing to like another brand. So it's not completely matte. It do give that matte feel or matte look, but it's kind of hydrating for your lips. Like it just glides on like butter. Like it's not a retro matte. It's not something that's extra dry. So I really love the formula of the lipstick. All right, so let me wipe this off. Now I'm gonna try on the mauve by itself. So let me just put some foundation back over my lips. So next you have Mauve Moment. I'm gonna try it on just as is. And as you can see, it's a very pretty pink. Again, I like pink tones like this. The mauves, yes, not too much darker than this. I like this lighter tone. Now I would pair this with a lip pencil. I wouldn't wear this as is. That's totally up to you if you would, but I am a lip liner girl where I like to put on my lip pencil and then put on my lipstick. So that's just a given. The gloss I'm going to try on by itself, so I'm going to wipe this off. Again. All right, and this one is Kiss Me. And again, this looks similar to the lipstick. It's just a gloss format. It's very hydrating shade, but I love a pink lip gloss. Like you can't go wrong. And I love that this gloss is not tacky. It kind of almost reminds me of the Kylie High Gloss that I've been rocking, and the packaging is almost similar. So the Kylie gloss that I have is just a tad bit lighter, but low-key, like they are almost the same type of packaging as far as the base container. But the formula kind of reminds me similar to the Kylie. Like it's hydrating, it's not tacky, it's not sticky, which I hate sticky glosses. So this is definitely a plus. You know, throw a few of these in your kit. This is nice to have, or on the go in your purse. Like this is a very good gloss. So yeah, I think I've reviewed and I've swatched the ones that I've bought, and I hope you guys enjoyed this mini review on the new Juvia'S place. So I also wanted to give a mini review on the Suva liner. I did get the hydra liner in Freeze, which is a very pretty teal color. Any of these pigmented colors, for some reason my eyes get kind of sensitive with it, so I did have a few issues with it, but that's just me personally. It is something that's a little bit easier to work with because it's water based. So even if you messed up, which I did, I just used like a water-based makeup remover cleanser and it came right off like this. So I have no complaints about the actual formula of the Suva hydra liners. They're very good. They're very easy to work with. I did also buy the brush, which retails for $12, and the liner itself was $14. it's like a paintbrush, so it kind of makes your job easier. It's just a little bit more difficult for myself because I don't really do wing liners like this, and I don't really do colorful liners like this either too often. So, you know, it's a little bit of practice, a little bit of working with that particular brush, and doing the liner. I mean, you don't have to use that brush, but it's just recommended. It's easier. I typically like a angled brush, but I wanted to give it a try something new, try to, you know, just build up my artistry and use different tools. So if you guys are thinking about buying any of the Suva hydra liners, definitely give it a try. Tag me if you do decide to try it out. And also tag me if you buy any of the shades that I bought. Give me your review on it. Let me know your thoughts. Drop some comments. What other videos you guys would like to see. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. See how I completed this look? Be sure to follow me on Instagram at Sharma326 and at SLR Beauty _. These are my lashes in style Chic. You could go ahead and check them out on my website. And yeah, bye guys, thanks for tuning in.